Welcome students, myself S.C. Kunde from Gokhale Education Society's JDC Bitco English Medium High School, Nasik Road. I have already started lesson 14 Substances in Common Use. In that we have studied important salts in day-to-day life, that is NaCl, NaHCO3, CaOCl2, means sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, and calcium oxychloride, that is bleaching powder. Next is sodium carbonate, or also called as washing soda, or formula is having Na2CO3H2O. Take a sample of water from a well or a borewell. In a beaker, add some soap to it and stir it. Then take another sample, add 1 spoonful of washing soda and stir it. Then add some soap and stir again. Observe the changes that takes place. Which changes did occur and why do they occur? The hard water from a well or a bore well becomes soft on adding washing soda. And we come to know this from the leather form on it. The hardness of water is due to the presence of chloride and sulfate of calcium and magnesium in it. Na2CO3 is added to it to soften such water and make it suitable for use. The reaction with Na2CO3 causes the formation of insoluble carbonate salts of magnesium and calcium. Sodium carbonate is a water soluble salt of sodium. Crystalline sodium carbonate, on keeping, loses its water of crystallization readily and white powder is obtained, and this powder is called as washing soda. Properties of washing soda and uses of it. Washing soda is whitish and odorless powder at room temperature. Litmus has a blue color in its aqueous solution. It is hygroscopic, that is, it absorbs moisture if left exposed to air. It is used mainly for washing clothes. Sodium carbonate is used in the glass and paper industry and also in refining of petrol. Next topic is soap. What is soap made of? Soap is made of oil, water and lye, that is sodium hydroxide. The oil can be either animal or vegetable. When oil or animal fat is boiled with an aqueous solution of sodium or potassium hydroxide or potassium salt of carboxylic acid are formed. These salts are called soap. When soap is mixed with hard water, calcium and magnesium salt of fatty acids are formed. These being water insoluble, they form a precipitate, and that is why leather is not formed. Next topic is difference between bathing soap and washing soap. They are sodium salt of long chain fatty acids, while detergent are sodium and potassium salt of sulfonic acid of hydrocarbons. Soaps cannot be used with hard water. Detergents work well with hard and soft water. Soaps are fully biodegradable, while detergents are non-biodegradable. Soaps take time to dissolve in water, while detergents dissolve faster in water. Next topic is radioactive substances. Elements with a high atomic number such as uranium, thorium, radium have a property of spontaneously emitting invisible, highly penetrating and high energy radiations, and this property is called radioactivity. A substance having this property is called radioactive substance. The nucleus of radioactive element is unstable. Radiations occur from an unstable nucleus. Radioactive substances are relevant to our day-to-day life. However, before going further, let us learn something more about these substances. Or you can say that radioactive substances are atoms that decay naturally. They can give off alpha particle, beta particle and gamma radiations. Next topic is nature of radioactive radiations. In 1889, Rutherford discovered that the radiations emitted by radium were of two types. They are called alpha and beta radiations. Villard discovered the third type, which is namely gamma radiations. When these rays are allowed to pass through two oppositely charged plates, they get separated. This method was introduced by Rutherford in 1902. Rutherford and Villard studied the radiations emitted by radioactive substances. For this purpose, the rays were allowed to pass through an electrical field and a photographic plate was held in their path. It was found that the radiations was divided into three types. One type of radiations deviated slightly towards the negatively charged plate, while the second type of radiation deviated towards the positively charged plate. However, the third type of radiation did not deviate at all in the electrical field. The rays which deviated slightly towards the negatively charged plate are called alpha rays. Those which deviate substantially towards the positively charged plate are called beta rays, and those which do not deviate at all are called gamma rays. Here, observe the characteristic of alpha, beta and gamma rays. Uses of radioactive isotopes. It is misconceptions that the radioactive elements are used only for making an atom bomb. Radioactive isotopes are used in various fields such as scientific research, agriculture, industry, medicine, etc. Radioactive substances are used in two ways. First is by using the radiation alone, and second is by using the radioactive element itself.